Hi everyone! So today I'm going to be doing a website review of the Pencils of Promise nonprofit organization. The address for this is pencilsofpromise.org if you're interested in checking it out for yourself. So the reason that I chose this website was because I am studying public relations and advertising, and nonprofit organizations is the field that I want to specialize in when I graduate. So the reason that I chose this website is because I think that it's very clean cut and I really enjoy all of the visuals and the colors. So when you first open this website, this video that you see appears, and I think this is a great way to engage people who maybe have just stumbled upon this website or are more interested. This really shows their mission and shows that what your donation is going towards. It says we can create a better world through education. A little background on this website is that they raise money in order to build schools in other countries to give kids education that they wouldn't be able to give normally. So I think that the tabs right here at the top are really nice because if you want to learn about giving monthly, they have it right here for you. You can go more into depth on their work and how they do all of their fundraisers and what their money goes towards. If you're interested in taking action, they have lots of options for you, which I think is very important, especially in the nonprofit world, is to give people options. If they want to do a more simple donation like giving on their birthday, or if they really want to be a part of a club or a leadership council, I think it's really important to give all of those options. And they also have About Us. So you can look at their founding story, the people involved with their company, their financials, because they are very open and they're not hiding anything, so you can see exactly where their money is going towards. Jobs and internships, partners, their store, and if you buy something from their store, it is all given back to their mission. They also have a blog as well, which I thought was interesting. And then they have a simple donate button if you're interested in that. So as you go down, you can just see the visuals are very simple. The colors all flow together, and I think that this aesthetic is really nice. It's really visually pleasing. It's not distracting. When you first open this, these two numbers actually started from 0, so you got to see a visual and got to watch them grow, which I thought was nice. They have more opportunities to learn. And then they give you their solutions. So you can really see the schools that they are building and have built in the past, and you can see teacher support. And then they have a simple become a part of something bigger than yourself. So this tab I thought was really important to mention because it is very simple. If you want to quickly engage someone and have them sign up for your email, if you ask them 50 questions, they're probably going to lose interest and not submit it. Now, if you just ask them for their name and their email, that's simple enough, and that's all you can really ask for sometimes. And then once they're a part of your mailing list, you can further ask them for more information, and if they're interested, they will already have it in their email. They'll be able to do so. I think these pictures are very important as well because it really shows you who you're giving back to. It shows you the community of Pencils of Promise by giving familiar faces and easy ways to start your own campaign. Lastly, at the bottom of the website, they have all of their social medias connected. And if you go onto each of their social medias, you'll see the same color scheme and the same theme all throughout, which is really nice because it really shows the brand of their product and their company. So I really enjoyed this website. I couldn't find anything that I disliked about it. I think that it's all very clean cut and it is visually pleasing in my opinion. So it really inspires me every time I go back to this website because it reminds me of why I want to do what I want to do when I get older.